Welcome to Passware 2022 version 1 What's New video. In this short video, we're happy to introduce many new features and improvements. The new Passware Kit version supports the latest OS releases, Windows 11 and macOS Monterey, and allows BitLocker and APFS decryption, SAM password extraction, and password recovery for keychain files. The new version recovers passwords for Acronis TIB backups. We've also added an option to decrypt LUKS2 volumes instantly using memory image analysis and support for the new LUKS AES CBC encryption. We are also excited to introduce a redesigned known passwords part attack. It is now possible to check a list of passwords in a matter of seconds without the need to create a custom dictionary. Furthermore, Passware Kit Business and Passware Kit Forensic SMS subscribers are welcome to download a new version of our proprietary passwords dictionaries from the subscription account. There are also batch mode changes, handling of full disk encryption partitions, and a new option to add more encrypted files to a specific recovery group. The built-in benchmark tool is now available in the free demo version of Passware Kit. This makes it easy to assess the system's performance without installing the full version of the software. Thanks to our users' feedback, we've made a few improvements to the new dark theme. So let's dive a little deeper into the Passware Kit 2022 version 1. Full disk encryption remains a major obstacle for computer examiners. The latest 2022.1 version supports password recovery for TIB backups created with Acronis True Image. Password Encryption Analyzer lists such files with the hardware acceleration possible flag in the additional options column. This acceleration works on both NVIDIA and AMD GPUs and provides the average speed of over 14,200 passwords per second on an AMD 6900 XT. There are two major updates regarding LUKS2 full disk encryption. The latest 2022.1 version now supports LUKS2 disks protected with AES CBC encryption. And, besides the brute force option, instant decryption of LUKS2 encrypted disk images using live memory image analysis is also available. Simply select I have a memory image tab, browse the encrypted volume and the corresponding memory image to continue with the decryption. To make common password recovery tasks easier, we've redesigned the known passwords attack and released a new version of our password dictionaries. We're excited to introduce an improved known passwords part attack. It is now easy to use a list of password candidates without creating a custom dictionary. The attack allows adding up to 99 passwords and using it as a separate attack or as a part of a join attack. Just type or copy and paste the candidate passwords into the passwords to check field and apply modifiers if needed. Click Add Attack to continue configuring the password recovery settings. Password dictionaries have proved their efficacy over the years. The new version of dictionaries includes recent password leaks and password exchange updates. Our team compiled large and small dictionaries which are available for download to all Passware Kit business and forensic users from their subscription account. The number of passwords to check within the large dictionary increased up to 10 billion and the overall size decreased to 20 gigabytes thanks to additional compression. To run a fast attack, use the small version that covers the most popular passwords and includes passwords from the Password Exchange Dictionary. In the previous release, Passware introduced batch processing of hard disk images. The 2022.1 version comes with more batch mode improvements. In addition to full disk encryption support in batch mode, the latest version allows applying different password recovery and decryption methods to each partition of the same encrypted disk. There is a new plus sign option for adding one or several encrypted files to the required recovery group. Drag and drop is also available. And finally, the columns in batch mode are now resizable. Customize the view the way works best for you. We've focused on building the best decryption tools for the forensic community. If you've got any feedback or suggestions on how to improve Passware Kit, please share them with us or vote on other people's ideas. Find the link in this video description. Thanks for watching all about the changes to Passware Kit. We hope you have a happy 2022.